بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إن الذين يبايعونك إنما يبايعون الله يد الله فوق أيديهم فمن نكث فإنما ينكث على نفسه ومن أوفى بما عاهد عليه الله ومن أوفى بما عاهد عليه الله ومن أوفى بما عاهد عليه الله فسيؤتيه أجرا عظيما.
Assalamu alaikum. How was the last class? I hope you were listening to English, right? It was like a game. You were listening to some questions and you were trying to answer. Did you get all the answers? I feel something in your face like it was really a tough video. Why you are giving such native speakers speaking or pronunciations in the beginning level itself? Never think so. There is no such levels. Even though there are standards, I just would like to tell you one thing. If you are ready to listen to the videos and the audios again and again, now I don't think that you won't have a problem. You will have a problem. I don't think so. But you must be ready. So no one in this world become fluent or become very good at English or very good at speaking English by one day or two. We have to listen. What happened when we listen? Again and repeat. What happened when we listen? When we listen, we will be able to understand we will be able to understand native speakers. We will get the answer for many questions when they ask. Okay, that's why, and you will get similar videos maybe in the description box, not in my description box, in other description boxes of that video which I posted, even it was in my channel, and it has the remaining part also, and you will get that part. Okay, and if you go through YouTube, you will get many other videos to test your listening skill, especially BBC Learning English. Maybe you already know about it. If you're going through that, you will get each day very good words which is used as relevant. And what's important, when you study language or when you study vocabularies from news channels, that would give you relevant words. Because for example, let me tell you one thing. If you need to know a word related with COVID pandemic, example, the word pandemic itself, maybe in our Malayalam we use Mahamari or a big problem, like we will be using that. But at the same time, to get the word in English, if we read any newspaper or if we watch to any news channel, we will get that word very fast, COVID pandemic. And even though maybe we don't know the Malayalam translation of that pandemic, but still we can use that. So whenever you are ready to listen to anything, better you listen to any news channels or regarding with that, and some natural facts and many things. That's why I was giving such a task to you, and whether it was very easy because you will get the first part and second part. One thing I always insist to you, repeat again and again and again, then only you will get the correct idea. And I'm sure that when you listen to a video second time or third time, you will feel a bit relaxed. I'm sure about it. You will feel a bit relaxed. And today also we have a listening class. Okay, that's why I tell you, today I will play a video for you, but you should repeat again and again, you should repeat. Because it's only a 3 minutes video, I will be sharing the link here in the description box. It's only a 3 minutes video, but Same time you have to listen to that again and again, then only you will get full words. Even though transcription or the subtitles are given in the video, and you have to pause there. If you don't know the meaning of any word, go through the dictionary and find the meaning and do it. And again, if you don't understand, never think, oh, this is again a tough English, I don't want to listen to that. Never think so. Never think so. If you have a determination, you can crack it, I'm sure. So never go back, because once you go back, nobody will be there to take your friend. Okay, so determine yourself. You can crack it, I'm sure about it. Another thing, there is no second way. To sharpen your language, to sharpen your pronunciation skill, there is no second chance, there is no second way. Another thing, I have given only a 3 minutes video, so at least you have to repeat minimum 5 times. 5 times. Then what happens, if you are ready to repeat it 5 times, you will be able to understand. And what's next, when you listen to the video, you have to do one thing also. There are many words. Okay, keep these words in your notebook. So before you go to watch the video, take your notebook and find the meaning of all those words. Soil erosion, and it's talking about soil quality, soil degradation. Burp, this word is fine, like burping in between the class. Like when I speak to you, if I feel like burping, burping, right? So usually cows make that sound, like it's not sound of cow, that sound, not bad sound is not. It's burping means in Malayalam we use Ambakam, right? Such word. So there are other words, and in the beginning of the video there is a question, and the answer for that question will be given in between the video. That's also you have to find and send to your teacher. And at the end of the video there are other questions. This video really talking about the quality of soil, problem regarding soil erosion. What happen if there are problem with soil degradation, and a place in England. It is described there. It's described there well. Again, I tell you, you have to listen to that video minimum 5 times, maximum as you can. And one more work, you have only one, even you have to find the answer for all those questions. After that, I request and I comment all of you to do one thing, that after listening to this 3 minutes video, just think what you understood from the video and make another video. Means just take your WhatsApp, record a video and tell what you understood from that, because listening and speaking should go correspondingly. Maybe I'll be giving you a listening tip, then I will be giving you a speaking. No, never. That won't work in communicative English. So it should be practical. Communicative English, practical English should be practical. You are listening to that, you are given the training in speaking, but it won't affect your communicative English. If you want a positive effect for your communicative English in listening also, after listening to this video, you have to do one thing, that send another video to your teacher. That's your work. So I'm not going to explain it here. I'm not going to make any slide for this. I would like to tell you only one thing: answer the questions in the video. And the second thing, make a video of your own, not with animation. You just take the camera and record what you understood, and the minimum 1 minute. Your video must be, minimum length of your video must be 1 minute, minimum 1 minute, and what you understood from that video. So the question is, prepare a video based on this video. Okay, I'm not talking about preparing a video with animation or adding pictures, anything. What you talk, what you understood. Like if you are in offline class, maybe I'll be coming to you and I will be playing this video and ask you, just tell me what you understood. So what you understood from the video, you have to shoot a video of yourself and send it to your teacher. Okay, is that fine? then you can go correspondingly with with listening and speaking. Once you listen, you have to speak it, otherwise there is no use of using this. Okay, so I told you you have to it's only 3 minutes video, so you have to watch it 5 times, then it will be 15 minutes only. Okay, then this class, so totally it will be 20 minutes. So that's fine. I hope you're enjoying the class very well. If you have any query of any problem or any kind of complaints, contact me. Let's make it clear. And again I tell you, determine yourself. The world is up to you and your success is up to you, and you have to draw the picture of your future, with your determination of the present. Thank you so much for watching.